Happy Sunday, my friends. It is Sunday, October 28th. I just finished working 2 Weight Watchers meetings. So these meetings, I had to be there at 7:45 in the morning on a Sunday morning. I went to bed last night. By the time we got home from the whole party, Frankie Avalon, Chubby Checker, this whole party, by the time we got home and got to bed, it was like 1:15. And for me to make it to work in La Cañada by 7:45, I had to get up at 6 o'clock. So I'm a little tired. Funny enough, the topic for this week in the WW workshops is sleep, like getting enough sleep and how that can affect our loss. Turn right onto South Marengo. So I am in a sleep deficit right now, and I will probably make some poor decisions. Hopefully not. We talked today. I have the most fabulous leader. So today I subbed as a wellness guide, and my wellness coach is my leader, who has basically been my leader, my coach throughout my whole Weight Watchers journey. She's the best. The best. I am so glad I had an opportunity to sit in her meeting on this topic before I now have to go do my meeting on this topic, because of course I gathered many nuggets of information from her. Here's something really cool. Not cool, but something we should all know. So sleep helps our weight loss journey so much. It helps us mentally so much. It helps us make the right decisions, rested decisions versus tired decisions. But here's a statistic for you. So people who don't get enough sleep are more likely to eat up to 385 calories more per day than someone who has had 7 to 9 hours of sleep. 385, 65 more calories. And I just got interrupted because that was my wonderful leader on the phone. So anyway, she's amazing. But what I was saying was that if you overeat at the possible rate of 365, 385 calories per day because you're tired and you're making poor decisions, this could add up to 40 pounds in a year. An extra 385 calories per day, 40 pounds per year. So even if you're not like super tired making poor decisions every single day, it could still add up. It could still add up. So rest and sleep is so important just for our like mental capacity. That just, I see it in myself every time I don't get 7 to 9 hours. Like last night, for example, I kick myself because I see it not only in my choices, but in the way I feel. Oh man, I just feel horrible, and I can't even function. So for myself, sleep is like my #1 priority for survival. So anyway, I just thought I would throw that little tidbit out for you guys. Very interesting. I am on my way to coach my next meeting. And so the first two meetings we had 4 people. The last meeting we doubled attendance, we had 8 people. So I'm crossing my fingers that we have, I don't know, more than 10 would be nice. But I'm really happy that it is growing, and I love seeing the new members there and interacting with people. It's been an awesome experience so far. So I'm looking forward to going and coaching this meeting about sleep.